Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix enable to send message blocking is active. If you want to send message to someone and you are facing this type of error, just simply you have to close this page. And if you want to send message to a person, and if you are facing this type of error for a particular user, then you have to make sure that if this person isn't blocked by you, so just simply unblock this person, and after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if a phone is there guys, then you have to open settings, and then you have to locate for messages option. Here it is guys, just simply you have to scroll it down and make sure that send as SMS option is turned on, and then go back from here, and after that you have to open settings again, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and just simply you have to tap on general, then scroll it down and tap on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is correct, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there guys, then you have to open setting, then scroll it down, tap on general, and make sure that your device is up to date, and after that you have to force restart your device, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem exists there guys, then you have to open settings, then locate for messages option again, and just simply turn off iMessage at least for the 2 or 3 minutes, and then turn it on again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem exists there guys, then you have to remove sim tray from your device, and just simply clean sims and sim tray, and then reinsert it, and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem exists there guys, just simply you have to open setting, then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings, so you have to reset your all setting. So just simply tap on reset all setting to confirm the process. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So after reset all setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.